Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Vamos a hablar hoy acerca de la telehistoria, escena uno y qué es lo que hace Diego y Mateo con Luisa. So today we are going to watch a telehistoria and we're also going to talk about adverbs, okay? And talk about some of the physical and emotional outcomes that could happen when you see things, okay? Now, so the instructions I'll give you right now is to watch how Mateo, Diego, and Luisa are using their hands. They're using their gestures to express things. You have Luisa, Diego, and Mateo. So let's look for those physical and emotional outcomes, okay, in this video. Here we go.
El partido está empatado. Debes meter un gol para ganar el campeonato. Mirás la pelota, mirás la red. No. Lentamente, lentamente.
¿Así está mejor?
Ay, por favor. Sí, está mejor. Pero no podés hablar. Allí está la pelota. Ahora, rápidamente, mete un gol.
Dale, Mateo, dale. No podemos hacer esta película,
¿Y por qué no?
porque es una película sobre un campeonato de fútbol. Y no tenemos uniformes, no tenemos cancha, no tenemos equipo. Y no podemos competir si no jugamos en un equipo.
Sí, es verdad.
Bravo.
¡Ay, no!
Okay. You think they got in trouble? They probably most likely did. Okay, so let's analyze what was said and what is it that we want to interpret with their emotional, with their physical and gestures. Let's look at some of the words. El partido está empatado. We went over that in class. Está empatado. It's tied. Debes meter un gol para ganar el campeonato. Debes. The word debes is you must. So translates to you must. Meter un gol. To score a goal. Para ganar el campeonato. To win the championship. Also, notice that they use lentamente. Lentamente. That's an adverb. Comes from lento. Lento means slow. Lentamente will be slowly. Also, they use another word right here that says rápidamente. Rápidamente means fast or rapidly, quickly. In English, we have LLY to express things that will continue happening. You know, it's an adjective. So, in order for you to form adverbs, here is a nota gramatical. In English, adverbs tell when, where, and how long, or how much. Many end with ly, like constantly, rapidly, easily. In Spanish, adverbs can be formed by adding mente. So, in other words, mente is ly. So, all you gotta do is add it to a singular feminine form of an adjective. If the adjective has an accent, then also the adverb does it as well. So, what does that mean? Well, you have the word rápido. That is in Spanish, right? Rápido. Notice rápido has an accent. Rápido, because you put the emphasis in this syllable, in this word. Ra. Rápido. But to form the adverb, you change the O, you change it to an A, and add mente. Rápidamente. And that translates to rapidly. Ricardo corre rápidamente. Ricardo runs rapidly. Now, if the adjective has only one form, you just have to add mente, like the case in frecuente. Frecuente, frecuentemente. Fácil, fácil is easy, remember? Fácil, you just add mente, fácilmente. The only time that you're going to change the letter is if the adjective ends with an O. You change that to an A and then add mente to it. Competimos frecuentemente. We compete frequently. Metimos el gol fácilmente. We score the goal easily. So here what we're going to do in activity 3, first we're going to answer the questions based on what we heard, based on the episode that we just watched. So you're going to click here. There's some questions such as ¿Qué debe hacer Mateo para ganar el campeonato? ¿Qué debe? Debe means must. Hacer, do. What must Mateo do para ganar, to win el campeonato, the championship? What does he have to do to win the championship? ¿Cómo debe mirar Mateo la pelota y la red? ¿Lentamente o rápidamente? So these are the questions based on the episode. If you have to watch them again, you can, or you can simply look back at the script right here, where you have all the information to answer those questions in complete sentences. Now, with the adverbs, what we're going to do in activity 4, we are going to create a mini conversation, like such as this. It says, ¿Eres una deportista famosa o famoso? ¿Eres un deportista famoso o eres una deportista famosa? Contesta las preguntas de tu compañero. So you're going to answer your classmates' questions. But in this case, you're simply going to create a conversation. ¿Cómo practicas deportes? Is one. ¿Cómo practicas? How do you practice sports? And the other person will say, you change the practicas from the you form to the yo form. Practico deportes. If it's seria, which is serious, how about seriously? Seriamente. Remember, serio means serious. So what do? You change, you get rid of the O, replace it with an A, seria, and then you just add mente, which is ly. Seriamente, seriously. So here we go. Let's do one together. Jugar en equipo. Jugar en equipo is to play in a team or as a team. And so how would you answer, how would you ask that question? Well, you simply grab the question word como. Como, and then you conjugate this to the you form. ¿Cómo juegas en equipo? Will be the question. And the other person will say, juego en equipo alegremente, difícilmente, fácilmente, lento. Oh, but remember here you have to change because it ends with an O to an A. Lentamente. Or it could be activo. The O changes to an A. Activamente. Rápido. The O changes to an A. Rápidamente. Serio. Seriamente. Tranquilo. The O changes to an A. Tranquila. And then you add mente. Tranquilamente. Triste. You don't have to do anything to it. You don't have to change anything. Just add mente to it. Sadly. Tristemente. And finally, perezoso. Perezoso. The O changes to an A. Perezosamente. and that's how you will form an adverb in Spanish, by using mente. Okay, so here is what you have to do in these two activities, activity 3 and activity 4. Remember, go back, look at the script, and answer the questions. And here, just follow the note, the grammatical note about adverbs, and create a mini conversation. Okay, and that is the activities for today. Just don't remember that today, Wednesday, these activities are from page 93, 94. You must complete 3 and 4, like what I just said to you. And after you finish with that, go to your workbook pages and complete activity 17 and 18. These will also be 10 points. Now, don't forget, Classcraft Dia de los Muertos quest is available for you to complete. Okay? I will talk to you soon. Adios.